As you can see, the water is not supposed to be on this part of our property. And see, it's almost covering my whole boot. It's not supposed to do this. And when I come down here, it is covering my whole boot. It's not supposed to be this high. Water is never supposed to come on top of the bridge. See, on the bridge, it's not supposed to do that. Well, there you go.